Sorry, what?
Yeah, Didi, bye bye.
Sure, you go ahead. Tell me your affirmations.
I am thankful for being in this world. One, I am thankful for my mother. I am thankful for my grandmother. I am thankful for my grandfather. I am thankful for my brother. I am thankful for my maid. I am thankful for myself for existing in this world. I am thankful for all the holistic workshop people, individuals.
Very nice. Wonderful. How about affirmations? Sure, this is gratitude, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Affirmations which we wrote that day. Some
Mom, can
affirmations.
I
Go
tell? Mom,
ahead.
can I tell? Mom, can I tell? Mom, can I tell? Mom,
Saka,
can I?
hold on, Saka, hold on. Not be so
I think
excited. Hold on.
I think I mixed those two. Mom,
Yeah,
can I
go
tell?
ahead. Check them. Check them back. Check them
Okay.
back. Go ahead. Check them back. Yeah,
Mom,
Saka,
can
go
I
ahead
tell?
now.
I'm perfect just the way I am. I love
Very
myself.
nice.
I'm
Very
more
nice.
intelligent than I realize.
Very nice. What else? What else? Yeah, Farhan Zura. Thank you, Saka. Farhan Zura,
And
quickly.
love, Mom, and I'm also love.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice,
Ma'am,
Saka. Yeah, Zura.
ma'am, my mom did not. My mom did not make clay yet. So can I use Play-Doh?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Yes.
You can. Yeah, go ahead, Latika. Your affirmations. Adiba,
Love,
Amina, get ready with your affirmations. Yeah,
doing lot
Latika,
of
quickly.
things.
Say again. I am.
Love, I am kind, I am smart, I am amazing.
Wow, very nice, Latika. Wonderful. Very nice. Go ahead now, Avantika, Advayat. Go ahead, Amina, Adiba. Go ahead with your affirmations quickly. One or two, each one. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yeah, Adiba.
Miss, I am smart. I can swim properly. I can. I
Instead of
have.
instead of properly, change it with easily and effortlessly. I can swim easily and effortlessly. Effortlessly, right? You don't have to put any effort, right? Okay, go ahead, Adiba. Anything for your teeth? You had something for teeth, right? For your teeth.
My teeth are good.
No, 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 no. Change it. Change it, change it. What can be? I look beautiful with my smile. My smile is amazing. I have beautiful teeth with my smile. I just love my smile. I love my teeth. How does that sound?
Okay, I'll change it.
Very nice. Amina, go ahead quickly. And then Advait. Affirmations, Amina. Your affirmations. Your affirmations. Quickly. One or two affirmations. Go ahead. Unmute. Unmute, darling. Affirmations, Amina.
I like math. I am more smart. My mom buys me milk. I am fine.
Okay, very nice. Good one. Okay, go ahead. Anybody else? Anybody else? Vandana, Advait. Advait, your affirmations quickly. Unmute. Advait, unmute.
Yes.
Yes, your affirmations. Say your affirmations. Unmute.
I don't know where I kept it.
You have to remember them. It has to be here, knocking in your head every time. Advait, say after me. I'm smart than I realize. Say after me.
I am.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, let's go ahead. Sure, Ishu. We can go ahead now. Thank you. Yeah, Zura has something. Go ahead, Zura.
Ma'am, I got the Play-Doh.
Ishu, she has something. Good one. Good one. Ma'am is happy.
Ma'am, I got the Play-Doh.
Very nice. Very nice. Great. Let's go ahead then. I am also going to do it with you all today. Ma'am, can we start now? Yes. So, everyone, what is magic? Can anyone tell me what is magic?
Magic is like disappearing some things and tricks of
One
physics.
by one.
Ma'am, magic is a fantasy that we imagine and also can be true by gratitude.
Very nice. Amina, what is magic?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Saka.
Magic is tricks which seem like, you know, very convincing.
Okay. Adiba.
It's like something you do with like black magic, but it's not black magic at the same time.
Some good magic I'm talking about, not black magic. I'll tell you, magic is when fairies fly.
Fly. It's a not real.
We can bring
Atika
magic
says
in
magic
our
which is
life
not
by
real.
Magic Rock.
It's a fantastical imagination that can be true.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pura.
magic is like abracadabra.
Wow.
Dabra.
Very nice. Very nice. Yes, that is magic. Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Yes. Very good. What else? Okay. So today, kids, we are going to make a magic rock. You know what is magic rock?
Magic?
Ma'am, I do still every day. It's a thing that we keep in our hands and tell our secrets at the end of the day. And at morning, we talk to it.
Ma'am, please mute everyone. Yeah, I've done it. So, what is magic rock? A magic rock is a special rock that holds your wishes, your feelings, and your dreams. And that's what we are going to make today. What you can do is you can talk to it, you can hold it tight and tell it something you really want, like being happy or making a new friend. When you believe in magic rock, it reminds of you of how strong, how brave you are. You can tell the magic rock your affirmations, which just Priya ma'am asked. Okay, everyone? And it has magical capacity. It can actually make things true. Magic rock is something which you have to keep with yourself at night, and you have to hold it in your hand and say all the affirmations. Okay, everyone? So guys, magic rock is something which has been used by so many students to achieve whatever goal they want to achieve in their life. How many of you have dreams? Actually, our next topic is dreams. How many of you have dreams? You want to become something, this and that, and you want to be like this and that, right? Right? Very nice, Mohan, right? So what you can do is when you have your magic rock, you can tell your wish to that magic rock. Okay? And when you say that wish to that magic rock helps you to bring it true to you. Do you believe this? Anybody believe in this? Can anybody believe this? I
Yes.
believe.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I believe.
Ishu ma'am
Ma'am,
believe.
I-
Who
I-
believe? Who believe?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
at the
I
time you
believe.
thought, I wish to get a new school. I wish to get a best school in my neighborhood. But that wish has been true.
So you Wow, can very tell nice. this
I
wish.
have went to college. I
Very
did
nice. Yeah.
best
So
college and best
so
school.
whatever wishes you have, you can you can tell your magic rock and it can make it true for you. You know, this is the beauty of magic rock. How many of you want your wishes to be true? How many of you want your wishes to be true? How many of us? How many of us? Very nice, right? That is why today's session is for us. We are going to prepare this rock, and then at last we are going to tell you what to do with this rock every day. The only thing is you have to learn to use this rock every day in your life, and then you see the magic that happens. Actually, I've
You know
already
what, Priya
started
ma'am? When
preparing.
I travel, I keep my magic rock with me, even while traveling.
Wow. Wow. See, ma'am keeps a rock every time with her, right? And it can protect you, it can help you, it can shield you, it can guard you, it can guide you, it can do anything for you, whatever you want. You say,
It's like a guiding
magic,
light in your life.
yeah, you say, magic rock, please, I want this, you help me this, I'm so thankful for this. And magic rock helps you to do that.
It's like a genie for you.
Yeah. So how many of
Ma'am,
you want a
I'm
genie in
about to
life?
say genie.
But you have to
Yeah.
believe in that genie. Only your wishes then gonna come true.
Exactly. Only if you believe in your magic rock, then it will come true. If you feel, what this rock, what it will do, then it will do nothing for you.
Okay?
Okay? So you have to believe in your magic rock. Okay, let's go. Let's get started now for our session, and we will start magic rock preparation quickly. Let's start. Everybody get ready with the ingredients, and ma'am is going to guide us.
Miss,
Yeah?
should I
Adiba?
use this red color or the white color? Which
Both.
one?
You have to open both.
Hmm?
Open red and blue both together.
Ma'am, I only have white.
That's a Play-Doh, right, Saka?
Not Saka, Karthik.
Karthik, okay. No problem. Let me teach them how to mix it. Then we'll move on to the children who are having their normal dose or Play-Doh.
Miss,
Yes,
can I? Which color do I use? White or light red?
white. Use white color.
Should I use
Okay.
the dark red?
Okay, I am putting and spotting light, ma'am. I'm spotting ma'am for everybody. Now see, ma'am has opened both the door. If you don't have this molded right now, but you observe carefully, because then you
have
can
to
do
make
it
it.
later also. Yeah.
Okay.
Miss, can I use red clay with white clay?
Yes, you have to mix both the clays together like this. Okay. But before that,
Okay.
you have to sprinkle some talcum.
Okay, talcum. Let me go
Okay.
get some talcum.
Otherwise, it will stick. See, we are going to be a little messy today. So can we move, Priya ma'am?
Not present, ma'am.
Ma'am, please have a look who all have done up till now.
First,
Sure.
mix the both.
Yes, now you have to mix the both and then you have to tear it in between and then again you have to
Ma'am?
mix it. Yes.
Yeah.
First, you have to put the powder, then
Mix it. Everybody mix it.
Then again you have to tear it and mix it. This you have to do at least 5-6 times.
It's off. Fast. But it's
Mohan, are you doing it? Saka,
off.
are you doing it? Be little soft, Saka. You don't have to be very hard. Yes, Latika, very
Got it.
good.
I don't have
Adiba.
thing. So can I use my clay?
Yes, you can. But first we have to create this now so that who are having it, they should know how to do it and you also should know because you are going to do it again at home with this clay.
Ma'am, what
Okay?
should we do? Ma'am, what should we do first?
You have to mix both the clays.
But Farhan and Zura, because you have one clay, you don't have to mix it. Leave
Yeah.
with one clay.
Should I
Yeah.
also put spray?
So you can mix
Maybe
both of
baking
them.
powder into it, ma'am? Should I also do
It
it?
will. What, Saka?
Should I also spray the talcum powder and do it?
Yeah, you can.
So we are
Very nice,
mixing,
Latika.
mixing, and mixing.
Jasmine has not joined.
We are mixing, and mixing. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Priya ma'am, you doing?
Yeah, ma'am. See, mine is ready.
Very nice. Now, everyone, you have to roll it like a snake.
Maisha, how about you, Maisha? Do you have clay today?
Everyone, whatever kind of dough you have, make it, shape it like a snake.
Come on,
Everyone.
camera, Maisha.
Whether you have a clay dough or you have a normal dough or you have this air dry clay, you have to roll it. Okay, everyone? And then we are going to make a circle around.
Guys, I am also making with you today. I'll show you my magic rock. I love to create magic rocks.
Now, with this clay,
My clay is not mixing.
it will. You have to tear it and then you have to mix it like this. Then you have to tear it, then you have to mix it like this. Then you have to tear it, then mix it like this. And
But
then,
Miss, I tried it a lot of times, but it's not working.
can I see? What clay is Amina having?
This is air dry clay.
So you don't have to mix it, Amina, if it is not the same molded clay.
Okay.
You can use it separately. Okay?
Okay, but what do I do with this now?
No problem. We can create something
Ma'am,
out of
ma'am
it
is-
also.
Okay.
Take a small portion of it and roll it, make it a stone shaped.
Ma'am, Okay. is this okay?
Everyone will have something like this in their hands, right? Whether they are having a normal clay or a air dry clay or they are having a dough or something else. So everyone, please, I want everyone to be on the same page.
Let me
Ma'am,
just
it's
check.
tearing apart. It's tearing apart. Yes, ma'am, it's too tearing apart.
Ma'am, there was a particular.
Yeah,
it's
it will
tearing
be,
apart.
yeah, it will tear apart, Saka and Neela, because it's not molded. It's okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
You have to
You
still
make a
create
circle of it.
some circle of it.
Okay? Some sort of circle.
Ma'am, it's correct.
Priya, can you just see?
Yeah, Latika. Wonderful it is.
Latika, beautiful, very nice.
Very nice, Latika. Wonderful. How about Adiba? Yeah, very nice, Vandana. Shaurya, Amina,
Ma'am,
Avantika, come on camera. Yeah, Saka. Yes, Saka. Good one.
Very nice. So what next we are going to do is we are going to create a heart out of it. Okay, everyone? So again, we have to roll it like a snake. Now see what I am doing.
Yes, Mohan. Tell me. Show me
my
what you have
grandma-
made.
Miss, I can only make a half heart. Ma'am, I'm making a heart.
Very nice. Make it with ma'am. Make it as ma'am is doing.
Miss, I
Everybody
can
can see,
only make
ma'am.
a half heart.
Oh, why half
You can make a
heart?
very small heart.
I can only make a half heart.
Amina, you can make it small, Amina, but yours one is
Yes.
good.
You can make a
Okay.
small heart, okay?
a small one. And you have to fill the heart.
Then you have to fill the heart with the clay. Okay?
डैडी आपका आवाज कम करो ना. Okay, definitely. हाँ.
Okay, everyone? You are able to follow? Any child who's not able to follow?
Me.
Please, Priya, put them in the spotlight who is not following.
Me.
Who is me? Who's this me?
Ma'am, is it
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, Shaurya.
Ma'am, it just came like this.
So I'll create one more time, okay, for you people.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes,
No,
make it
it is
little
not.
smaller.
Make
Ma'am,
it
this is
smaller,
okay.
Saka.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes, Satish.
Very nice, Neela.
Very
Very
nice.
nice. Help your bro also
To make it.
to make it. Help your brother also. If in case you're not able to make a heart second time, you make a stone shape. Okay, it's okay.
Or you can make whatever
Making
shape
magic stone.
you like.
Yeah, you can make any other shape
And
if you want
it's
to.
so smooth, right? I want to keep it forever, and I'm not going to take a stone. Yeah, if it just might get.
Wow, Advait, this is wonderful. Look
I
at
don't know how
Advait's
many boxes
issue.
I can
Can
put
I
this.
see
Come on.
Advait?
Give me a second. Let me spotlight him.
Very nice. Beautiful.
Beautiful,
Beautiful.
Advait. This is wonderful. This is how it has to be.
Yes.
This is perfect, Advait. Quickly take a picture of it and share it in group. Let everybody see it. This is
These kids
beautiful,
are amazing,
Advait.
I need some more talcum powder.
Put some more talcum then.
Ma'am, but I have not made heart.
Give me a box.
Is it okay, Ishu ma'am? I have not made heart.
Yes, ma'am. It's absolutely okay. If you have not make a heart, that's absolutely okay. You can make whatever you feel like making.
You know what I will bake.
I am making stone, ma'am.
Ma'am, look at mine, ma'am.
A circle, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Can you see?
Yes.
Everybody
I
can see mine.
Yes,
Ma'am, please pin yourself.
So, ma'am,
This is how, let me pin myself and then show you. I am doing a little different because I did before only. So what I'm doing is I made my clay in a round shape and I added some sparkles on it.
So everyone see Priya ma'am's and this is mine.
Oh, wow. Ma'am's is also beautiful.
So are we done till here? Children, are we done till here?
yes.
Beautiful. Now what we have to do is we have to write something on this. Bring your pencils.
Adiba, show me what you have made.
Ma'am,
What
I made
happened?
it like an eraser.
Give me a second, guys.
Is there yellow?
whatever is gold is
Yeah. Show me. Adiba, show me. Advait, don't change it. You made it so wonderful, Advait. Don't change it. Wow, Avantika, look at Avantika's.
Yes, my clay is
Wow.
ripping apart.
I'm spotting Avantika. Avantika made beautiful. Wow. See Avantika,
My
Didis,
clay is
everybody.
tearing apart.
Beautiful.
Miss, my
So
clay
now
is
with the
tearing
help of the
apart.
pencil, you have to write something on your straw.
Yeah, just a second. Let me answer first, Amina. Amina, if it is tearing apart, it's okay. You can get a mold it later and prepare it again.
Yes.
Time being, you do it with what you have.
I have some more clay.
There is a wooden stick there. Pick a wooden
Okay.
stick.
Now we
Yeah,
have
but-
to
Use some
dye.
more.
Okay.
Okay, so Amina,
is-
you do something like this, what I have done. Create a simple stone like this. Can you
Yes.
see my screen,
And
Amina?
put some glitter on
No, I
it.
cannot see your screen. I can only see the other Mrs. screen.
Just a
Red.
second. Let me put myself on spotlight. Give me a second. Give me a second. Can you see mine now, Amina?
No.
Amina, I have spotlight myself.
Ma'am,
But I still cannot see it.
your stone is not visible because you have put the background, no? That's why. Huh. Now it is
No, my
visible.
stone is visible.
Yeah, now it is.
See now, Amina?
Yeah, I can see it.
Hmm.
My
Prepare
mom
something
said
like
that she
this.
has some clay in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. Yeah, Zura, now tell me. Yeah,
Enough.
Zura.
Put.
Zura. Yeah, Zura. Very nice, very nice. Good one, Zura. Good one, Zura. Very nice, very nice.
I don't have did not tell us to use it yet.
It's okay, no problem.
Pottery.
Whatever you have.
to dry? Then you have to get
Yeah,
your moments
keep it to
ready,
get
because
it
this
dry.
is so hard. It's drying in like 10
David,
minutes.
you're not
1
speaking
minute.
anything today. How about you? Show me what you have made.
That's mine.
Very nice, David. Wow. Wonderful, David. You're doing amazing, David. So proud of you.
Ma'am,
Yes, Zura.
can I let mine to dry?
Can I?
Can I let my one to dry? It's very kind of powdery.
Yeah, you can let it dry now.
What is dry?
Priya
Ishu,
ma'am,
you have to unmute.
please put everyone on the spotlight one by one. I want to see what they have done till now. Okay?
Okay, sure. Karthik,
Yeah.
show Ishu ma'am what you have done. I'm putting you on spotlight. And
Okay.
everybody else, put
Please
yourself on
mute
mute.
everyone.
Yeah, let me mute everyone, and then only who is on spotlight will be unmuting and
Is
speaking,
going to
okay?
speak. Yes.
Yeah. Let me just
Mohan,
Saka,
Karthik.
everybody, I'm putting you on mute.
Ma'am, you can ask another one.
Okay,
I'm-
okay.
I'm
Take some time.
Okay.
Let me start with Advait,
Saka,
okay?
Advait.
Let me start with Advait. Advait, I'm putting you on spotlight. Show what you have made to Ishu ma'am.
I'm not ready.
Still, I just want to
You-
see what you have done.
You already made it, no? Show that one.
Show Advait.
That
Quickly.
spoiled.
It got spoiled.
Oh,
Then
Yeah.
no, it's
this
beautiful.
one. It's good.
is
It's
beautiful,
good.
Advait.
Good. It's good.
It's good.
Good
It's
one.
not spoiled.
Not got spoiled. Okay, very nice.
Okay,
Advait is
so we are
done.
done with Advait. Next.
Let me go to who else? Latika. Let me go to Latika. Latika, show me.
She has already
Wow.
completed.
Finished.
Wow.
Wow. Very nice, Latika.
Beautiful.
This is beautiful, Latika. Very nice. Very nice.
Beautiful.
Great. Latika is
Please
done.
color the outside also.
Now
Okay.
let me go to Avantika. Avantika, show ma'am.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Very
good. Color it.
nice. Color it, Avantika. Very nice. Remove spotlight. Now, who else? Vandana. Show me, Vandana, what you have made. It's okay, wherever you are right now. Show it.
Very
Wow.
nice. Beautiful.
Beautiful,
Beautiful it
Vandana.
is.
Beautiful. Very nice. Shaurya, should we quickly show what you have made? Made you spot. Go ahead, show it.
I made it.
Very nice.
Ball. Ball.
Very nice, very nice. Fine, wonderful. Very
Next.
nice, Advait. Very nice, Shaurya. Okay, who else? Who else? Who else? Adiba, quickly show Adiba what you have made. Show it.
What is this, Adiba? It's a heart? Okay.
Okay, fine. Great. Good try. Okay, Mohan. Now show me, Mohan. Wherever
Now
you are, show it. Show it
wait,
where
one.
you are.
Okay, ma'am. One.
Not visible, Mohan,
It's not visible, Mohan.
because of the background.
Take it in your hand, put it in front of you, and then maybe it will be visible.
Ma'am, when I'm taking it, it's not coming, ma'am. It's broken.
No
Okay,
problem.
okay.
You have to repeat it at home with the clay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can I move to other person?
Saka,
I can see David first. Let me put
okay.
David first. David, go ahead, and then Farhan, Zuhra, be ready.
Very
Wow.
nice.
Wow,
Beautiful.
David. Very nice, David. Beautiful. Very
Beautiful.
nice. Okay. Who else? Farhan, Zuhra, quickly show. See, this is Zuhra's.
Very nice, Sura.
Very nice, Zuhra. How about Farhan? Farhan. Very nice, Farhan. See, Farhan made. Okay, wonderful, Farhan. Ishu ma'am, have you seen Farhan's? You have to unmute.
Beautiful.
Great, wonderful. Now let me see Saka. Saka is not there.
Everyone done, ma'am?
Yeah, just a second. Saka is left. Yeah, Saka, show me.
Wow.
Okay, Saka, fine. And how about Nila?
Very
Wow,
nice.
very nice, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very
So,
nice.
everyone has reached somewhere or the other.
Amina. Amina. Show me Amina.
Cannot
Amina
see Amina.
cannot see Amina. Can see your face, but not what you have made.
Not the pebble. Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Nice try.
Okay, it's okay, Amina. You get molded, and then it is beautiful with molded. Okay.
Yes. Now, who have not colored, now we are going to color it. Okay? Please be ready with your colors, everyone.
Ma'am, but I cannot draw and color the this thing, right, ma'am?
No problem. If you can't draw or color, you can put some glitter on it, or you can put some craft thing on it, like a stone or something. Decorate it
Right
so
now,
that
I
it
don't.
becomes special.
Right now, I don't know, ma'am. After the class, I'll send it in the group for definitely.
See, what I am doing is, I have a sequence, Shaurya. Let me spotlight myself. So I have a sequence, Shaurya. Can you see something sparkling?
Yes, ma'am. Glitter.
Little sparkles. Yeah, this is not glitter. This is sequence. Okay.
I thought
So I love to put sequence. I will complete my rock and then I will share it in group. This is called as resin sequence. You can easily get it from any stationery, and a rock is beautifully can be made with this.
I thought sequence meant the order of things.
Not that one. Fine. Okay. Let me also see. Ishu ma'am is doing coloring. Everyone who wants to color, see the colors. Ma'am is using pink color.
Ma'am, shall I show mine half?
Yeah, please show. Karthik, spotting you now. Yeah. See, Ishu, he has made it. Very nice. Ishu, are you able
Beautiful.
to see? Very nice, Karthik. Now start coloring, doing something. See, ma'am has written love on it. You can also write something.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
no. Okay. Ma'am, I
Who's this?
changed mine.
You changed yours. Give me a second. Yeah, it's beautiful again. Very nice. Now color it. Make it something. Color it. Add something. Add some words to it. Use a pencil and write something on it. And then start coloring it. Advait.
But mine didn't get hard.
Sorry?
Mine didn't get hard.
You didn't get what?
The thing didn't get hard.
It's okay. It will get hard automatically later on when you will keep it overnight.
Ma'am,
It will take 24 hours to get hardened, Advait. It's fine. Got it now?
how should I write it? Should I scratch it?
No, with a pencil, you can make a impression on it.
Okay.
With a pencil, you can make some impression on it. You can write your name. You can write something else.
Okay.
Anything you
Ma'am,
want.
You can write hope, blessed, whatever, a positive word, joy.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, who else? Please go ahead.
Ma'am,
Please go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead. Who's this? You can raise your hand because it's not possible to see everybody. So raise your hand. Very nice, Zora. Who was saying something? Very nice, Avantika. What you have written, Avantika?
strong.
I'm strong. Wow, very nice. Very nice. See, Ishu, how beautifully she has written. I'm spotting her. Spotlight to see everybody see Avantika Didi's.
Beautiful.
She's written,
It's
I'm
I am
strong.
strong. Wow.
Wow, you know what, the Avantika, you can make such rocks and you can write your affirmations on that. Some other also.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm beautiful, right? You can that way also. I'm smart enough. All that you can write. Very nice. Superb, Avantika. Very good idea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, who else? Neela. Yeah, Neela, show me. Very nice, Neela. Very nice. Have you written anything on that?
Got it. Could you unlock it?
Very nice, Neela. Good one, Neela. Okay, who else? Who else? Shown, seen now. Who else? Who else? See, ma'am is making it 2 colors now.
Ma'am, 4
Ma'am is
colors.
wonderful. 4 colors. Oh. Can everybody see what ma'am is doing? I'm also halfway for my rock. Okay, we have 10 more minutes. Quickly.
Mom, things got a little messy and Amma got a little angry though.
Sorry, didn't get you.
My mother got a little angry at the end though.
Why? Why you got angry?
It was a mess here. You see here.
Sorry?
It got into a mess like this.
Which mess? Show me what mess.
This,
Show me what mess.
this mess, ma'am.
Mom, it came on laptop.
It is important to color on the outside also. Here.
Okay, Neela, he has put it on laptop. Neela,
Yes, ma'am.
that is bad, Nosaka. You have to
Latest.
be careful. Mom will definitely get angry if you will do like this. It's okay. Now you do something, some dryer or something which can wipe off the glitter, and it's okay to be messy, but you have to take responsibility and clear it to help your mom,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am.
Tell
Yeah, ma'am.
tell
I
your
will clear
mom,
it.
Mama, I'm going to clear it. You don't worry. And you also can apologize, saying sorry, I'll take care next time.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
I have class right now.
Who is this? Avantika?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Avantika, it's okay. You made it, right?
Yeah.
Priya,
Go ahead, Avantika.
just
Thank you.
tell them what they have to do with this, no? We can stop it
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
You can tell them what they have to do. Okay?
Okay, sure. Give me a second, Avantika. I think she left. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a
So,
doubt.
yeah, Neela, go ahead.
Ma'am, I can write something in paint on this.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
நல்லா இருக்காதானே? நான்
Yes, you
சொல்றது
can.
போட்டேன் நல்லா
So I will put glitter on it. Mine is ready.
பெயிண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு glitter போடுறது நல்லா இருக்குது. பெயிண்ட் அடிச்சுட்டு glitter அடிக்கிறது நல்ல ஆப்ஷன். ஆனா பெயிண்ட் அடிச்சுட்டு glitter அடிக்கிறது
Am I finished?
நல்லா
Very
mine
nice,
is
Avantika.
finished.
ஆனா சத்தியமா சொல்றேன் நல்லா இருக்காது.
Very nice.
ட்ரை பண்ணா அப்புறம் மோசமா
Ma'am,
வந்து
you quickly put the glitter so that as you complete, we will stop here. They can complete it later. Let me see,
Yes,
Abhinav.
I'm done.
Give me a second. Give me
You
a
can
second. Give
sprinkle
me a
the
second.
glitter.
Give me a second.
You can sprinkle the glitter. That's all you have to do.
Okay,
don't
very
have glitter.
nice. Very nice, Amina. No problem. But you get it and then make it again with your brother. Help him also to prepare it. Right,
But my
Amina?
brother is only 1 year old.
So what? He can watch you, right?
Finished.
But then he'll ask for the clay, and then he'll ask for the glitter, then he'll mess with my paints.
So, ma'am,
Yeah.
we should tell them what they have to do with the stone.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes.
they will.
Yeah, yeah. So, Ishu ma'am, finally you show your this stone to them and then we will see. Oh, okay, very nice. Everybody can see, ma'ams.
I have to put a
Sure.
lot of glitters and everything on it.
So what I'm doing is
You
now
told us
I
to
am
put candle
removing
powder.
spotlight and everybody put your stones like this
In the hand.
in your hand and let's click a picture. Let us click a picture. Ishu, you also have your stone. Let me click a picture.
I'm clicking.
No, let me click it because you have to hold yours. Everybody, I want everybody's in their hands now. Very nice. Okay, I got it, but I am not able to get Mohan on camera. So Mohan has to come. Mohan has to come and then let's click again. Mohan, quickly come on camera. Wow, look at Avantika. Look at Vandana's. Wow, what a
Latika's,
neat one.
Vandana's.
Wow, let me show Vandana's. See guys.
Very nice. Very clear.
See guys, very clear and so wonderful, Vandana. What a neat work. Wonderful. This is beautiful. Very
I love
nice. Let me.
everyone's. Latika has
Yeah,
so
it
many
got removed.
glitters.
Yeah, Latika has done all the glittery work. Wonderful. Let me click a picture. Everybody, give me a moment and take it in your hands. I'm clicking a picture now. Quickly,
Everyone, quickly show everyone.
Yes. Wow. 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 Wonderful. 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 Very nice. Yeah, I
See,
got it.
kids,
Thank you.
It's your magic rock. Priya ma'am is gonna tell you what you have to do it with it.
Yes. Now, what do you have to do with it? Anybody has any idea? Let me see whose brain is working. Let me see whose brain is working. Whose mind is sharp enough to see or to guess it.
We have to say,
Yeah, Farhan, Zuhra. Yeah, go ahead and then Vandana. Vandana, you have to speak.
telling like I'm strong, I'm healthy, I'm caring like that. Like affirmations about ourselves.
Very nice, Zuhra. Very nice, very nice. Okay,
We should have
now
lot of
Vandana.
welcome, they said. We have to say affirmations.
We have to say affirmations. Very nice, Vandana. Yeah, Latika.
I am caring.
Very nice, Latika. Very nice. Now I will tell you what you have to do. David, you want to hear what you have to do with this? And every day will you do it, David? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Very nice, very nice. Great, David. Very nice. Now everybody listen to me. As you have prepared your rock with the molded, okay, this is going to become a solid stone. Solid stone by tomorrow. Okay. If you will even throw it on this floor, it is not going to break. It is going to be that hard. Okay. It's going to be completely become a stone. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to hold it in your hand and in your wrist and close your wrist. Okay. So when you are going to prepare your rock, you can prepare one or two more small also, right? Put it in your this hand. Everybody put your rock in your hand. Everyone have your stone in your hand. Right? Whosoever has it.
Painted.
It's okay. It's okay. Whosoever can do it, please do it. Now you have to close your eyes with your rock. Everybody has to close your eyes with your rock, and you have to tell this rock whatever you want to tell this rock. Okay, so close your eyes and tell this rock 5 things that you are so grateful for today. Okay, let's say you can say, I'm so grateful for making a magic rock today. I'm so grateful for my mom for cooking for me today. I'm so grateful for a very good sleep or going to school or having food. Whatever you want to say, you can say to this magic rock. Also, yeah, just a second, Saka, let me complete, okay? Also, you can tell this rock what you want. So you can tell this rock, hey rock, I'm so grateful and I want this wish or this to be fulfilled. And then you feel it that the rock is bringing it true to you in your life. Got it, everybody? Everybody got it? You can make a wish to the rock and believe it that your wish is fulfilled
I am
because of rock.
For what?
grateful for doing work.
Very nice, Latika. Very nice. Everybody
I-
got it? What do you have to do with the rock? You have to take your rock in your hand and say your wish and feel it, believe it that the wish has got fulfilled. And in some time, if every day you will do like this, your
Do
wish will come true.
job.
Isn't it magic?
Yes.
Give me
Technically.
a moment, Latika. Isn't it magic?
To buy all second starters.
Isn't it magic? Anybody?
Is it
Yes,
magic?
right?
Yes.
Yes, very nice, Latika. Okay. So anybody has any questions on this? Tell me. Anybody has any questions on this?
Something?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me.
Actually, our words have powerful meaning, ma'am. If we think positive, that will come to our life. Means we can
Yeah,
achieve.
yes.
Mm.
Now you have to use it for yourself. Okay?
Can I start cleaning?
Who's it?
Me, can I start it?
Me. Tell me your name.
Saga.
Saka.
Yeah.
Saka, you have to prepare it again and share it in group.
Again?
Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Take care then.
Ma'am, no way I can do it again.
Why not to do it again? It's very easy.
Bye, Miss.
So once itself, I'm gonna get the scolding of my life.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Should I tell to my rock five things I'm grateful for and 5 things I want?
Yes.
Yes, you can. But the only thing, the
Huh?
only trick is, Zura, there is one trick to this. And the trick is, as you tell what you want to the rock, you also have to believe it, that the rock has fulfilled it already. This is the trick. Got it? So
Believing is very important.
when you say, rock, help me to buy a doll or get a doll, this particular doll, right? You have to already feel that the rock has made it fulfilled, that doll has come to you. You have to believe it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Zura, you got it, Zura? This is the trick, Zura. If you will not use this trick, then it will not work. You have to use this trick.
Ma'am.
Wow. Very nice, Advait. Very
Beautiful
nice.
joy.
You're
Very
singing.
nice. Beautiful. Now everybody has to share their rocks in the group, what you have made, okay? Click a picture and share it in group. Everyone, okay?
have a group.
Still,
Who doesn't have a group?
Mommy.
Who?
but Crystal,
Who is who?
What? Crystal is
Neela.
okay?
Neela, you can use, you can ask Saka brother. He will help you,
Yes.
okay?
Beautiful, Latika.
Beautiful, Latika. Very
Please
nice.
share in the
This
group.
is amazing.
Share
Share it in the group, okay? And Latika, use it every day, okay? From now on, use your magic rock every day.
Okay, ma'am.
David, use
Before
your magic
sleeping,
rock
you
every
have
day.
to use this. Before sleeping, you have to use this every single day.
Yes,
Okay.
before sleeping, everybody has to use it every day. I'm also going to use mine every day from now on.
I am
Okay?
also going to use.
what's
Yeah,
that?
and let's see whose wishes are going to come true. We will share it in the group. Each one.
After 10 years. After 10 years, 20 years.
No, it can just fulfill in a moment, Karthik.
Ma'am means we are
That
too
powerful.
young.
You have
That
to believe
powerful
it.
it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Karthik, start with very small. You don't have to make big ones. Start with very small. Maybe you want your mom this weekend to spend time with you. Tell the rock.
What do you
Okay,
want?
ma'am.
I'll spend
Maybe
some.
you want an ice cream. Maybe you want something. You just tell the rock and believe it.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
coming to you, and then it will come to you. It is practice, Karthik.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Right. Very nice.
Bye bye,
So that's
everyone.
all for today. Bye all. And I'm going to share a magic rock video with you. Everybody watch it, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, one more thing, guys. For Monday, we are going to do vision board. Is it okay, Ishu ma'am, if we do vision board Monday?
Yeah.
Danya ma'am is doing it.
I have already done one.
Ah,
Yeah.
Ma'am, freshly did out this year. My vision.
Yeah. We'll do it. We'll do it again. Okay, we are going to do vision board. So everybody get ready with some. We'll share the ingredients with you. What do you have to prepare for Monday? Okay. Everybody get
Okay.
ready for it. It is going to be a very good exercise on Monday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh,
Bye.
tomorrow also we have a session, right? So
Yeah.
tomorrow I will update everything about vision board for Monday. Tomorrow we are connecting. Okay, everybody, we are meeting tomorrow. Okay,
Bye.
I'll
Okay,
update
ma'am.
everything
Bye.
tomorrow.
See you
Okay.
tomorrow.
Bye all. See you then. Love you all. Take care. See
Bye.
you all.
Bye.